Here we have the 2020 Chevy Camaro 3LT Convertible. Gonna get a quick view of that power folding top there. Just a push of a button on the key fob. This is an RS that comes in white on adrenaline red leather. Got chrome 20s, Brembo brakes, power door locks, power windows, power mirrors, memory seating, Bose sound, controls for your heads-up display. There's your leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. Next, we're gonna go to the trunk, see how much space we have with the top down. So not a lot, but you can fit about 3 or 4 bags of groceries in there. One more look at the outside before we check out the interior features. It's a sharp looking car. Now this car is a 3.6 liter V6 with a 10-speed automatic transmission. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up, the top down. I knew that was gonna happen. So you've got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth audio, XM, AM, FM radio, navigation, Wi-Fi hotspot, climate controls on the screen, OnStar, and then of course your ambient lighting, which controls that little light that's in the door trim there. Got dual zone climate control, heated and cooled seats, electronic parking brake, traction control button to toggle that on and off. And then you've got 3 modes, Tour, Sport, Snow and Ice. And there's your rear camera mirror right there. And then go ahead and close the top, push of a button. No latch or anything like that. You just hold it until it's closed. And there you have it, 2020 Chevy Camaro 3LT Convertible. And be sure to subscribe to my channel because I'm going to do a test drive in this car in the next few days. Thanks again for watching.